How's it going, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to make this. The male end, also known as a bubble flare. Followed up by this, the female end, also known as the double flare. And why do you need to learn how to make these? Simple. If you need to join two brake pipes together, put them like so, get the correct fittings, screw them both together, and that should join two brake pipes. But in order to do so, you need a tool. You need one of these. Now this tool is really good because it's small and compact and it's very user friendly, which I'm just about to show you now. Now what's in the box? Let's open this. Your brake flaring tool. This is your little stopper that you use to line it up. Put in, screw it all the way up. Unscrew these a little bit. Just a little tiny bit. Open it up. Just want enough to get the brake pipe in. There you go, just slide in your brake pipe. Make it hit against the back stopper. Make sure that the stopper's as far as it can go. So one more little turn here. Brake pipe can't go any further forward. I'm happy it's in the correct place so we can see from the top it's hitting the stopper. Tighten it up. Now just continue tightening it. Get it nice and snug. I just need to go get myself some more tools from the toolbox. Just need to grab myself a socket for this, the die. Here we go. Go over to my socket set. Okay. Nope. Yep. $17mm deep socket. Pop that down there. And then get this, see how it says OP1, dab it in the grease. This is just a red rubber grease, it's nothing fancy, it comes with it. Oh, that's a bit too much, scrape some of that off. Get this, screw that into place. There's a great sense of achievement in doing your own brake lines yourself, but you can save so much money. I'll show you just now. Story time with Independent Jim. If you were to get the brake lines front to rear, done at a garage, it would cost you about £100. On this particular car, all four quarters, 1, 2, 3 and 4 needed done. That would come to £400. But by doing it yourself, you save so much money. All you need is the parts. Brake line, fittings, brake fluid, and the brake flaring tool. All comes to about £60, and the best part is you get to keep the tool once you're finished, and you've got it forever. Right, let's get back to work. We're going to finish off making the bubble tip, or the male end, whichever way you want to call it. Unscrew that. As you can see there, OP1's pointing that way. We've finished making it and tightening it up. We'll remove this. Get your Allen key. Loosen that off. Same on this side. That's your made your bubble. It's only one extra step to make a double. Unscrew it, your OP1 and the arrow, turn it the other way. Screw it in this way to make the double flare. As you can see, the arrow is now pointing the opposite way. Screw that up. You can see it doesn't go all the way by hand. Get your socket. unscrew it. And there you go, that's your double flare. Now guys, did you see a problem with what I done there? This is correct. There's one teeny tiny little problem. What have I got on this end? I've got a fitting. I've got nothing on that end. So my number one tip, before you start making your brake pipe, make sure you put your fitting on first. My number two tip, when bending brake pipe into shape, make sure that you put your fitting at the very end, because otherwise this can't get past. Tip number three, when bending brake pipe and you don't have a brake pipe bender, just use a big socket. So we just go like this, bend it over the socket. There you go. And you can see I've also put my fit in here to make sure it can get past this bend because it's already there. So you don't need fancy bending pipe devices, just use a socket.